Jesus gives his full attention. He sees you the way that I would like to express you this morning. He sees you as a person. And many times we lose that perspective. Because yes, there is difficult people. Yes, there is guys that makes it very. But can we start to pray, Lord, just give me a perspective of what you see in this person. I really struggle with this guy. And you know I'm struggling. But the godly thing will to say, God, give me the eyes, give me the perspective. Because this guy does make me lame. Because the way he acts. Hy maak my lam, man. Ek is moeg, man. Ek is finish en klaar met this guy. But Lord, help me. Because clearly I can see with the natural something is happening. But what do you see? What do you want to touch? Am I the instrument? Or must I continue walking in the same things every day? This guy makes me lame. It's just a frustration. Because this is what we see here. God sees something differently. And this guy for 40 years was being trapped in a certain circumstance. Can we really ask the Lord, Lord, give me new eyes. Give me your eyes to see what I need to see in this context.